we have came out here to look at this pond, and I thought, well, it rained for days. Surely it has some water in it, and Miracle's pulling the opposite direction. Miracle, I want to look at the pond. He's like, I'm not interested in the pond. There is some water in it. Miracle's not going to let me stop and look at it, because he's in charge, he's in control. Usually by this time of year that pond is full, but whatever. At least we got some rain. We're so far behind. Come on, Miracle. Where, oh, there's Miracle. See if he takes me back to the trail. Yeah, he's going back to the trail. And he says, I know I'm going to my bench. Isn't that right, Miracle? There he is. There's Miracles. Look at all the different moss, different kinds, going on this old tarp over, I guess there's a pump in there. I don't know what's in there. Because there's where the old well is. Anyway. And we're almost to the bench. Okay. Just going to let him go on his own because he knows where he's going. Ain't that right, Miracle? Going to the bench. Benchy, benchy, benchy. I'll beat you. I'm coming on over. Come on, Miracle. Come here, Miracle. What's wrong? No, 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 no. So, hey there. Did I leave you, Miracle? You didn't like that? Okay. There. You want to get there first? Okay. Here we go. Okay.